something I feel that see you next time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping in touch, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So today, without further ado, I'm behind my house, my little mini garden. I say little mini garden. It's what it means. Anyway, I am behind my house. I have a mini garden where I have homegrown plants, edible plants. I use in one of my front yard. I have creative plants, and behind my house I have edible plants. I'll be showing you guys what I planted recently. One of my videos I showed you I have done my plants for a long time, and I go back to it. So today I'm basically just going to be sowing some things that I can reap later. I would like to plant some watermelons, garlic, and see how well my spring onions and my onions has grown so far, and my ugu that I tended to that I repaired. Anyway, guys, come on me. Look at my feet. Look at my feet, guys. And I did not wear any footwear because I know that as a homegrown gardener, it's very pertinent for you to sometimes appreciate nature and just walk barefooted. I think it has a lot of healing benefits. I don't know exactly per se what it is, but I think I read about it somewhere where they say that if you have any ailments or any underlying illness or whatever the case may be, that this this exercise will do a lot of good to you. I don't know what I mean, but me, I'm a nature girl, so of course let's just experiment. I'm about experimenting, exploring. So whatever it is, I also whatever is my body that needs to be healed should be healed. So guys, this is my soil. I'll be showing you guys. This is my spring onions I planted recently, about 2 weeks thereabouts. This is onions. So I'll be cutting this to use for my fried rice come Sunday. These are my spring onions. I don't think it's growing well, so I'm going to just tend that to it again and see how it grows. These are my miracle leaves. This is what you call known as Yanopaja. I don't know what you call this is in Nigeria. They call it hospital too far. And this is my bitter leaf. See that? My bitter leaf. Growing pretty. And we equally have our ugu that I showed you in one of my videos that it was growing badly. I had to rejuvenate it and use sticks to make it spiral. So I think it's growing little by little now. And that's my anti-lemongrass there. Read about the benefits of lemongrass. It's growing pretty well too. So here with me, I have my Scotch bonnet. I planted it about 2 weeks, just at the same time with my onions. And see, it will be very soon be ready for transplanting. Some of the seeds did not germinate well. Can you see that? But this one germinated. They'll be transplanting very soon. I think about a week or two for you to get bigger. I'll be transplanting it. This one did not grow pretty well. So these are my garlic and my watermelon I'll be planting today. These are watermelon seeds. I had this watermelon over the weekend, so of course I'll be planting this very soon. I'll show you guys the process. And these are my garlic that I'll be planting too. And here with me, I have my makeshift potting plant I'll be using for my garlic. I put sand inside it, and I'll be planting my garlic right here inside. Like I tell you, I always recycle stuffs I have now. This is a crate of drinks. I think trophy. Maybe it's a trophy fan and Heineken fan. So what better way to use it and plant my garlic? So put my garlic every step of the way. I'll show you guys. Come on in. Don't go away. If you like what you see, so far so good, please do well to like, share, subscribe, and put it in the notification bell button so that when another video comes up, you will be the first to know. Yeah, so guys, today this video is about how to plant your garlic and watermelon. So I'm planting my garlic today. These are my garlics here. We have the grandma garlic. See how big it is. And we have the native garlic. It's quite small, but very aromous. Is any word like that? The aroma, the taste is divinely. Of course, this big one is nice too, but compared to the small ones, this is tastier. It has more flavor. Alright guys, and I'm planting my watermelon. This was had over the weekend, so use things you have in your house to get what you want. So I'll be planting my watermelon, and I'll be planting my garlic. So for my garlic, I'll be using these crates. I'm a recycle girl. I recycle things I have in the house. This was used for my birthday. The drinks we bought for my birthday. These are the crates that we got. So I'll be using these crates for my garlic. We have 12 spaces here, 12 boxes here, right? So I put my garlic in each, one garlic each for one hole. So we have another one here too. We have 2 crates here, so I'll be using putting my garlic in these 2 crates. That'll be 24. Yeah, guys, that's it. So I actually have this bucket here where I mixed my ashes. I have ashes I got from my charcoal. I use for my catering. So the ashes I get from my charcoal when I cater, I always keep it for my plants. I mix it as a fertilizer. It's very good for soil. I equally have we eat rice a lot in Nigeria. It's a staple food. Every house has it. Both rich and poor house eat rice. So when I wash my rice, I store the water for my planting too. Like I told you, use things in your house to get what you want. I'm a homegrown gardener. There's no word like that. So I use what I have in my house to improvise. Organic, basically. I'm an organic girl. This is the rice water. And these are our eggshells. Eggs we've eaten over time. Look at the eggs we've eaten over time. See that? It's very dry. And I actually have my green tea bags are very good for our soil too, for our plants. The one I just had this morning, still very wet. The other ones are dry. I just dump it here every day, and this one I want to. I just use it to nourish my soul. So you see, a lot of things we have in our houses that we can use to grow our garden, our homegrown garden. So guys, go with me. Let's see how we plant this watermelon and our garlic. So I'll be taking some of these ashes and putting it in my I'll mix away. You can equally blend these eggshells. Some people use it for their protein shake. So once you crack your eggs, all you have to do is rinse it and air dry it. Once it's air dried, you blend it and you get a smooth powder. So you have to put in your pap, your tea. And basically, it has a lot of calcium. It's packed filled with calcium, so it's good for our plants too. So I'll be mixing it in my plants like so. I ought to wear gloves, but I'm just in tune to Mother Nature today. Just like I didn't wear shoes, I probably didn't wear gloves today. I just want to hope that whatever I am doing is healing whatever oxidants is in my body. I read it somewhere where they said when you touch your soul, you walk barefoot on the ground, it has some healing effects. I don't know how true it is, but I read it somewhere. So guys, you can read up on it too. I'll be putting my ashes too in my prepared garlic pots. So what I have there are eggshells that I'm trying to crack and my tea bags to give it nutrients. Just the way our body needs nutrients, our soil too needs nutrients so it can grow well. I'll be putting in this one too. Sometimes when I'll be blending these whole eggs, so it makes it easy for me to have more, to absorb more into the soil. taking away debris. So now I'm going to be poking a hole inside each of it for my garlic. See that? So the holes are ready. Yeah, so guys, I'll be planting my garlic now into the holes I just made. Make sure the top, the protruding top is upwards, somewhat like that. So all you have to do is like so. So we have big and small garlic, but of course, life is a gamble. Let's see the one that comes out well. So all I have to now do is just to cover it with clean soil and just cover the So guys, this is basically what planting of garlic looks like. See, easy peasy. So guys, this is my homemade compost of different things we eat here. Back of potatoes, cabbages, lettuce, and we have cow dung here. We have rotten peppers and tomatoes, and rotten leaves. So I'll be putting my loamy soil to add to it, and a little bit of shaft I got to that I weeded last week. No, I want the sand. Bring a bag of sand. So I'm mixing this into my manure, into my compost, and I'll stir and close it again. So this is my sand. Bring those leaves. So we're putting our dry leaves too. So I'll be using this homemade compost for my next planting. By then, I'm going to give it about 41 days more before I open it. It would have rotted and gotten rid of worms and nutrients. So now I'm putting my rice water in the garlic I just planted now with my cushion of eggshells, charcoal ashes. Tell me why this garlic will not grow healthy, strong. So the twist here now is I'm going to be putting my dry leaves on it. So we should fit in pretty well. So I'll come back in the next 14 days to check and see how it's faring. So guys, this is how to plant your garlic. and I'll be showing you how to plant my watermelon in our next video, because I think this video is too long already. So guys, if you like what you see, come on now, what you're waiting for? Like, share, subscribe, and put in post notification bell so that when I post the next video, you'll be sure to see it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.